Good morning, caterpillars. How are you today? Do you remember the name of our new month? This says April. Let's spell it together. April. Let's clap to see how many syllables are in it. April. There are two parts to the word April. A new month. We had the first day on last Thursday. Here's our days of the week. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Monday begins with the letter M. M-O-N-D-A-Y. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday, Monday, it's so cool 'cause we're here back at school. And then tomorrow will be Tuesday. What number comes after 4? 5. It is the 5th of April today, and the year is 2021. We have an AABB pattern going, so we have an umbrella, umbrella, flower, flower. What would today be? Back to umbrella. There it is. What is the weather like today? So let me know the weather and I'll move my graph over. Today is Monday and the weather is sunny. All right, we need to plant some flowers, and so we are looking for the beginning sound, the same sound as kangaroo. What object has the same sound, beginning sound as kangaroo? A watermelon or a kitten? Kitten and kangaroo have the same beginning sound. Good job. What has the same beginning sound as dog? Dinosaur or kite? What sound is that? D. Dinosaur, dog. They have the same beginning sound. All right, let's look at my numbers. What number is hidden right here? It comes after 7, but before 9. It is an 8. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number comes after 12 and before the number 14? What's this one? 13. 11, 12, 13. Let's subitize. How many flowers do you see? Good, I see 4. How many flowers do you see? Good job, there are 4. How many grasshoppers do you see? 4. All right, we're going to look at our number. I have 10 bees. I have 10 bees right now. But let's see how many I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 10 bees. But how many are in the hive? If there are 10, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 out. How many do you think will be hiding? There will be, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I moved 4 fingers. Let's see if we're right. Will there be 4? There will be. Tell me a word that rhymes with bee. Good. Be me, be he, be she. Let's do patterns. Okay, guys, so tell me what is missing in this pattern. What would the object, what color would it be? I see an A-B pattern. So what is under here? Is it a green or a purple? Let's see if you're right. It is a purple. Green, purple, green, purple. Let's look at this one. What pattern do you see? Green, 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 purple, purple, green, What is under this one? Green, green, purple, purple, green. Oh, I see that this is the unit that we're going to be using as a pattern. Green, green, purple, purple, green, green. It is A, B, B, A, B, B. All right, looking at our ABCs, what letter and what sound does the letter make that is hiding behind these 3 stars? What comes after S? Okay, you got it? All right, what is this first one? T. What sound does it make? T, t. Good. What is next? Good job. S, T, U. And what sound does U make? And what is this last one? What sound does it make? V. Good. V. And it makes the V sound. Great job. Hey guys, so this time we're going to say these words really, really slow, each word. And we're going to decide how many sounds we hear in each of the words. Are you ready? I'll move this up here. This is the first, this is the middle, and these are kind of the middle and the end of the word, okay, depending on what we need. We have a leaf. Let's put the sounds up there. O, E. How many sounds did we hear in that word? Good. There are 3 sounds in the word leaf. Let's say them again. O, E, F. Good work. All right, the next word is train. So we're going to say that word really, really slow, like a robot, so we can figure out how many sounds we hear in it. Let's touch each one. Train. Train. How many sounds did we hear in the word train? 4. There are 4 sounds in the word train. How many sounds are in your name? All right, so Miss Cochran needs to we're going to use an algorithm today, and we're going to code to try to get me here. An algorithm is a group of instructions that will help me get there. And so we're going to use these arrows because these arrows will tell me which way to go to get to the pot. I cannot go through the rocks, so I have to go around the rocks, okay? So I need your help. What would I do first? I'm going to go down 1, and then I'm going to go over to the right. I think I can fit here, so I'm going to go over again. I'm going to go straight. Yep, and then I'll go straight again. And then I'll be here. Where would I go next? I'm going to put this one back up here because I'm going to go over, over, over. And then when I get here, I want to go down. And then I want to go down 1 more, and I will be there. Let's see if it worked. Down, over, 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 down, down. We did it! High five! We got Miss Cochran to the flowers so that I can water them, and they are ready. This is called an algorithm. It helps Miss Cochran get instructions to where I need to be. We're going to use some of these later on, so I wanted you to become familiar with them. And maybe today at play, you guys can create instructions to do something. So you can create instructions to get somewhere. You can go straight 2 spots, you can turn, you can go straight again 2 spots, and then you can turn. All right, guys. So see if you can make one today and upload it for me. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.